Have you heard about the latest tax hack that can transform your educational savings into retirement gold? Curious about how the new Secure 2.0 Act can benefit your 529 plan investments? Are you worried about leftover money in your 529 plan? What if there was a way to use it without penalties or taxes? Good news, there is. Hey there, tax warriors. Welcome to JDB Tax. I'm Brian Eustache, enrolled agent, and tax strategist. But I call myself a tax tactician leveraging the tax code to build your financial fortress. And with this segment of Tax Tactics, we're tackling a topic that's beefing up the world of savings, transforming your 529 college savings plan into a powerhouse Roth IRA. Also, if you'd like to see more tax content like this, hit the like, comment down below. New this year, you can now roll over your 529 plan into a Roth IRA without paying a dime in taxes or penalties, all thanks to the Secure 2.0 Act. That's right, folks. No more worrying about what to do with leftover 529 funds. Now, what's the big deal? Before this change, pulling funds from your 529 for anything other than education meant taxes and a nasty 10% penalty on earnings. But now you can shift those funds right into a Roth IRA and move towards retirement, tax and penalty free. But there are rules. You can roll over up to the Roth IRA's annual limit for 2024, that's 7,000, and for those 50 and above, it's 8,000. Also, there's an earned income requirement. The beneficiary needs to have earned income at least equal to the rollover amount. And there's a lifetime cap. There's a $35,000 lifetime limit per beneficiary. So plan your move strategically across the years. Now, there's some more strings attached. There's the 15-year rule. Your 529 must have been open for at least 15 years. And the 5-year rule. No rolling over contributions and earnings from the last 5 years. Lastly, no beneficiary switcheroos. Changing the beneficiary can reset the 15-year clock. And the cherry on top? This rollover bypasses the usual Roth IRA income limits. Yes, you heard me right. High income earners. It's another way to have a backdoor into a Roth. This isn't just a tax strategy. It's a life strategy. It's about making sure every dollar in that 529 has a future, just like your college grad. Whether it's funding grad school dreams or retirement dreams, you're in control. So if you got a 529 gathering dust or you're planning for the future, think about this new rollover path. And remember, at JDB Tax, we're all about making sure you get the most out of every tax saving opportunity. JDB Tax Strategy helps business owners legally save money on taxes without fear of the IRS by leveraging the tax code to the fullest extent. After booking a consultation call with us at jdbtax.com, we'll build a personalized battle plan to minimize your tax burden and maximize your wealth. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and click all to join me on this epic quest to conquer taxes and claim your financial throne. I post tax tactics every Tuesday and Thursday. See you next time, tax warriors.